Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Going to show you a DIY way to replace the plastic handle on the motor crank handle. This will save you a bit of money and on shipping. Alright, so let's get started. So I have the part right here and we're going to install it on the handle. And right here there is of course, a square washer. Slip it on there, press it down firmly, and it's nice and secure. Flip it around here like that, and we're going to measure it off. So let's see here. That should be okay. That's good. Okay, now that I have it measured off, I'm going to cut it along this line here, of course. Alright, so I got it marked off. And I'll just start cutting around the perimeter. All the way around is what I'll do. Now, as you can see, I've installed the black handle onto the motor crank handle here. And for those of you who don't know who have an H-8 or H-16 like this one, there's a hole in this black handle, even in the original piece, that fits into this pin down below. So, simply flip it down and insert it into the pin. Now it's nice and snug, out of sight, out of mind. When filming, it will not revolve around in your way. And for those of you who have not figured out what part I used, there you are. Even with these multiple color of small felt tip markers, if you have multiple Bolex cameras and you do a lot of filming with multiple cameras all at one time, you can switch these out for different cameras that you have labeled A, B, C, D, and E, etc. upon your interest. Do subscribe to my channel. Hope this DIY has helped you. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. See ya!